Thank you for a magical premiere evening. It sure was beautiful to share the film with you guys. And if you haven't seen the Love Like Nature film yet, I look forward to sharing it with you. For now, the future of the film lies in our hands. Your hands too. We've created a crowdfunding site where you can buy some of these eco-friendly clothing and some other goodies to support us, to continue to share the message, spread the film, and have a school tour around Sweden. If you feel like sharing, liking, or commenting on this video, that's also support. You don't always have to buy things. Either way, thank you for your time, and love like nature.